What happens when an electrical fault occurs inside a battery cabinet? To find out, CNC Power conducted a series of 480 VDC arc flash tests using a simulated battery string and 5,000 amps of available fault current. High-speed cameras and calorimeters were used to capture and measure the resulting events. Here's a few test results from CNC Power's arc flash in-house testing. The tests demonstrated measurable incident energy levels and sustained arc events that highlight the importance of proper battery system design, maintenance procedures, and technician protection. An arc flash is the sudden release of heat, light, pressure, and energy caused by an electrical fault, making proper equipment design and maintenance practices critical to technician safety. At CNC Power, safety is engineered into every battery cabinet. Our patented battery system safety shield and 48-volt breakdown system help reduce technician exposure to hazardous voltage levels while providing safer access for maintenance and service. Learn how CNC Power designs safer battery systems and explore the technologies that help reduce risk. Visit ccpower.com to learn more.